In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add virtual backgrounds on Zoom. Virtual backgrounds can transform your video calls by allowing you to replace your physical background with an image or video. This feature is particularly useful for creating a distraction-free environment or simply adding a fun twist to your meetings. First, make sure you have the Zoom desktop client installed on your computer. You can download it from the official Zoom website if you haven't already. Once you have the application ready, open it up and sign into your Zoom account. It's essential to ensure you're using an account with the necessary permissions to access advanced features like virtual backgrounds. Once signed in, navigate to the Settings menu. This can be found by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the Zoom window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, on the left panel, you'll see a variety of options. Look for Background Filters and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see a section labeled Virtual Backgrounds. If you're unable to find this option, make sure that your Zoom app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not support virtual backgrounds. In the Virtual Backgrounds tab, you will notice a few default images and videos provided by Zoom. You can select any of these to see how they look behind you during a call. Simply click on one, and the change will take place immediately on your video. If you're using a backdrop color, for example, a green or blue screen, check the box that says, "I have a green screen." This helps Zoom clearly distinguish between you and your background, providing a much cleaner effect. If you'd like to add your own image or video as a background, click on the small plus sign or the Add Image Video button. This will open your File Explorer, where you can select your preferred media. Just make sure the images are in JPG or PNG format, and videos should be in MP4 or MOV format. Once added, you can switch between different backgrounds easily by clicking on them in the same menu. It's a good idea to try this out before your meeting to see what looks best and to ensure you'll have everything working smoothly during your call. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to add virtual backgrounds in Zoom. With these steps, you should be able to customize your video conference experience, making it both professional and personalized. Don't forget to test different backgrounds to see what works best with your lighting conditions and webcam. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!